Okay, hello. So this is going to be my first video on getting started with Brightspace. Now, once you go to learn.marywood.edu, it's going to take you to the landing page of Brightspace. So it's called as a landing page. Now, what you have to do is you can click on this waffle here. Now, once you click on this waffle, you can see all my courses are listed here. So you can see all your courses which you're teaching and which you have taught before. Everything is going to be listed here. So if you want to see a particular course, you can just go to the course and you can view. This is the front page of my language disorders in children's course. And I can click on content and I can see everything in this language disorders in children course, all the exercises I've posted, all the quiz I've posted. But this is just to show you how it looks, okay? Now, so as I told you, all your courses are listed here. Now, one thing you can do is you can pin these courses. Now, by pinning these courses, what happens is all the pinned courses are going to appear on the top, and all the courses which are not pinned are going to appear at the bottom. This is really helpful because all the important ones are pinned, so they're going to be on the top. All the ones which are not important are not pinned, so they're going to be at the bottom. So you want all the courses you need to be on the top, so don't forget to just click on this pin here for all the important courses that you're teaching. Okay, so that's the first step. Now I'm going to show you how exactly do you upload the syllabus and how do you upload other materials onto Brightspace. So that's actually pretty simple. So what you do is, obviously I have already posted stuff on my Brightspace. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to something called a sandbox. Now everybody has something called sandbox. Sandbox is more like where you can play around with Brightspace. So you want to learn Brightspace, you want to upload things on Brightspace, but you're not really sure. Sandbox is a good tool for you all to practice. Okay, so I'm going to upload some things on Sandbox just to show you how it's actually done. Okay, now just imagine this is your course. Maybe you're teaching a course in aphasia, maybe you're teaching a course in speech science, whatever that is, your course is going to appear like this. Okay, so the first thing you need to do is, in order to upload stuff, you need to go to content, which is on the extreme left, okay, top left. So you click on content and the first thing you see is syllabus. So you can post your syllabus by clicking on syllabus, and you can see syllabus here, and you click on add attachment. Okay, now for this you have to drag and drop the syllabus. That's the only way you can upload the syllabus. So there's no upload button really. So what you do is add attachment. So I'm just gonna drag and drop up some syllabus that I have here, special topic syllabus. So I just dragged and dropped it, and it's loading, and it takes a few seconds or up to a minute. Just it's preparing the document preview, and then it should be there in a few seconds. There you go. So the syllabus is all uploaded and ready to go. So that's all. Okay, so the syllabus is ready. So this is exactly how the students view the syllabus. So they come here, they look at the syllabus, and they can open the syllabus. And this is really nice, okay, because everything appears right on the page. They don't have to download anything to view it, so they can directly view and look through the syllabus. Okay, so the entire syllabus is here. Now, let's say you attach the wrong syllabus. All you have to do is click on this drop down, and then you can change the attachment, or you can just remove the attachment and reattach a different syllabus. Okay, so that can be done. Now, the next thing is, how do you upload materials onto Brightspace? So what I would do is go to table of contents, and the first thing you need to do is you can have different modules. Okay, so modules are anything that is required for your course. So I would just make it really simple, and my modules would be week 1. Okay, so I'm just going to say week 1, week 2, press enter, and then week 3, enter, week 4, enter. Okay, so that's going to be my table of contents. So what I have done is I have created 4 modules. So everything that I teach in week 1 will be uploaded here. Whatever I teach in week 2 will be uploaded here. Week 3 will be uploaded here, and so on and so forth. Week 4, week 5. So you have 15 weeks. So everything in those 15 weeks can be uploaded. So you can upload the whole thing for the entire semester. So what I do is I upload mine for 2 weeks, or if I'm not prepared, I just upload things that are required for that particular week. Okay, it's really simple. So once you create that module, all you have to do now is upload. Okay, so I will show you what I can do with week 1. So here is week 1. So what I do is I click this upload button and I can upload a file. So you upload file. I'm going to upload a file from my computer. So, and then you click the upload button. I'm not going to really show you. So once you click the upload button, you can pretty much upload anything that's on your desktop. So maybe it's an assignment you want to upload. Maybe it's a picture that you want to upload. Okay, anything you want to upload can be uploaded, and then you just click add, and boom, you are done. Okay, I'm just going to cancel it. So that will be uploaded here. Actually, I'm going to upload something just to show you how it's done. So I'm going to upload a file. Click file from my computer, upload. Okay, so I'm just going to class activity. Let's just click on that, open, okay, and add. There you go. So the class activity and assessment of CLD children is uploaded. So the students can actually click on this and view the entire so it's still loading because I just uploaded. So they can actually see the entire activity. Okay, it just takes a few seconds for everything to actually upload. Yeah, there you go. So the entire activity the students can see here. So if you want to go back, you can just click table of content here, and there you go. So you want to upload something else, you can upload a new file. Okay, so that can be another activity. Anything that you do can be basically uploaded here. Okay, so the same thing can be done to week 2. Okay, same thing can be done for week 3. So whatever you want can be uploaded. Okay, another thing I wanted to show you all is you can actually rename this. So let's say class activity and assessment of CLD children is not what I wanted to name this activity. So I can just click on this and it opens up the entire activity that I just posted. And I'm going to click on this and I am going to edit it. Okay, instead of saying class activity and assessment, let's say I want to rename it just class activity 1. I can do that and press enter. There you go. I just changed the name of the class activity, and I go to table of contents, and there you go. I changed the activity to class activity 1. Okay, so again, you can upload anything you want into this. Okay, so you want to upload. Another thing I wanted to show you is you can upload video. You can actually upload a link to a YouTube video. So all you have to do is you have to click on create a link, and what you have to do is you say video on assessment, something like that, and then you provide the link, URL link to the video. So you can copy and paste that link, and then you click create, and then you can actually, I'm not going to do that, but you can actually provide the link. So you can pretty much upload anything, upload files, create a link is something which I like if I want to post YouTube videos. Okay, so again, you can upload assignments. So most of the times I just upload files, and I'd like to upload YouTube videos by creating a link. So that's pretty much what I do with my classes. I might be doing something different later on, but for now, I'm just uploading files and creating link for uploading YouTube videos. You don't even have to upload YouTube videos. It's just creating the link, and they just click on the link and they can start watching the videos. So it's pretty simple. Okay. In some other videos, I'm going to show you how to create assignments and discussion and quiz, etc. But this one is pretty simple. I want to keep it simple, where how to create and upload different files. So you can upload as many files as you need. Okay. So I'm just going to do one more thing for week 2. So upload. I'm going to upload another file from my computer. I click upload, and I'm going to just upload something abstracts. Okay, so I'm going to add that. So that's another thing I added. So again, remember, if I want to rename this, I just click on this and I go here and edit title, and I can rename it if I want. So I'm not going to rename it now. And then I click on table of contents, and it's going to take you back to the table of contents. I just wanted to show you one little thing which is really useful. Now you can actually move this modules up and down. Let's say week 2, what I posted was actually a week 1 activity. By mistake, I uploaded this onto week 2. So I want to move this. All you have to do is you have to drag this and then move this to week 1. For some reason, I'm not able to do that efficiently in this, but I have another idea. Okay, so you should be able to move this around. Okay, you can also move this here. You can week 4, I can move to week 3. Okay, it did move here. Okay, week 3, I can move to week 2. I can just move things around. Okay. But I just wanted to show you, let's say if I wanted to move by mistake, I have uploaded articulation and phonology abstract in week 2, but I actually want to move this to week 1. So either you can drag this, okay, to week 1, that can be done, or you can click on this and then you can click move to, you can either click move up, it just moves up, or you can click on move to, and I want to move it to week 1. I told you that I made a mistake and it shouldn't be week 1 but week 2. So I want to move it to week 1. I click on this and click move. It just moves to week 1. There you go. My articulation and phonology abstracts is in week 1 now. Okay. So that's pretty much. So you can move around, you can edit the title, okay? You can create all these modules. So that's pretty much what. Okay, the last thing I wanted to show you is you can also, so for some reason I'm not able to see it here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to go to my course. I want to show you how I can hide my what I have uploaded. Okay, so my course content, my table of contents can actually be hidden. Okay, so let's say, so I'm just going to show this to you. So let me move to my speech science class and go to content. Okay, so let's say speech science class 2 I have uploaded here, but I want to hide this from my students. So what you do is you just click here and then you click hide from users, and that's it. You can see this I sign, okay, which says that it's been hidden from my students. Now, how do I make it visible? All I have to do is click on this again and make visible to users. Okay, so let's say I want to hide the entire week 2 from my students. All you have to do is click on this I and then just move it here this way, and there you go. Now it's the whole thing is hidden from my students. And then I can also move it to the right and it's again visible. I move it to the left, again it's not visible. I move it to the right, the whole thing is not hidden anymore. So I can do the same thing for I can do it for the entire week. okay, by making it visible or invisible, or I can do it for individual assignments or files that I've uploaded. So all I have to do is go here and click hide from users, and I can hide this particular file that I've uploaded. But let's say I want to show it to my students. All I do is I click here and move left, and there you go, it's visible. Now this is really important because sometimes students say, oh, I'm not able to see. I can see, but my students are not able to see. The reason students are not able to see is because I forgot to make it visible for them. So I always check if it's visible, and I always ask them to check if it's visible. And if they say, no, it's not visible, then what you can do is you have to check. Maybe by mistake you made it not visible. So you have to, or you hid it, so you can make it visible now. The last thing I wanted to say, this is really a cool feature. How does this actually look for your students? Okay, so this is how it looks to you. How does it look for your students? All you have to do is you go here. Here's my name, Vijay Chandra. I click on this and you click view as student. When you do view as student, it shows you how it looks actually for a student in your class. So I go to content. This is how it's going to look to your student. Okay, so this is the student's view. So that's really a nice feature. Okay, let's say you've didn't mean to hide something by mistake. You hit something and that's why it's not visible. So, oh my God, so this is not visible for students. I'm going to make it visible. So this gives you the student's view of things, okay, how they view. And that's really a new feature, nice feature. So also I go back here and I click on this, and I'm going to go back to my view. Okay, so I can go back to student view, and then I can go back to my own view. Okay, so that pretty much covers everything about how to get started on Brightspace. So please let me know if you have any questions or concerns. Thanks.